Hey everybody, Temple Crazed here. First we're gonna say make sure you subscribe and like and share and all that good stuff. They always say you gotta say it at the beginning, so there you go. We'll get that out of the way. Next thing, I mentioned in my last video, I believe it was, or maybe the one before that, I don't know, about doing an experiment of what would happen if we threw nic-a-date onto a nickel and just let it sit. So, that's what we're gonna do. I got the scope set up. We have a 1920, just a 1920 nickel here, no mint mark or anything, so it's not like we're destroying an expensive nickel. I got the bottom of a water bottle here that I cut. I got the lights here, gonna kind of try to put them on the sides here so we get a good look at what's going on. And if all goes well, I am going to, if all goes well with this, I'm going to be able to speed up the video here, and you'll be able to see this in really fast time. So that's what the plan here is. There we go. We got the nickels completely submerged. I'm going to bring the scope down a little bit closer, I think. And I don't know how long it's going to be, but I'm just going to let it sit here for a while. Hopefully we'll keep being able to see. I'm going to put one light up, I think, and one light down. Just going to trying to get everything situated so we get a good look here. You can see the dates here, 1920. You can see the material's already turning colors, and see these sparkly bits over here all the way around? These sparkly bits are actually parts of the nickel that are coming off. I'm going to try to see maybe if we crank up the light a little bit. I know it's going to get dark in there, so I'm just hoping that maybe if we drown it with some light. These are really bright LEDs, by the way. I'm hoping that we can, be able to peer through that stuff there. And like I say, I'm just gonna let it go here, and for I don't know, maybe an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't know. Let's just take a look here. Let's see if we can just move some stuff around real quick here. Yeah, see, we already got goop starting. I don't know. I know it's going to destroy this nickel. I know that. I just don't know if can we eat all the way through it or what's going to happen. I mean, I have no idea. I think maybe we should put some more in there just to be certain. What do you think? I don't know. Well, now it's spilling over into the next little area, so I guess that's about as much as we could put in there. Unless, of course, maybe if we take something and kind of prop it up here. I have a couple bottles of this, so I'm not too worried about just utilizing it like this. There we go. There we go. A little bit extra on there so that it has plenty of stuff to eat away with. And let me just fix the screen a little there. The thing you see off to the right there is actually the light. Just trying to get the lights lined up in an area where they're going to do the best for us. There we go. like you say, the thing you see at the right, top right there is going to be the um, light. And here we go. Enjoy the video. I will, if all goes well, I'll be um, either voicing over or just putting some music over top of it, and we'll be speeding this video up from this point out. Enjoy. Hey everybody, Future Tempo Crazed here. So you're gonna hear me saying I'm limited here that I didn't even speed up the video, and that was the original plan, was because it was such a short time, but I did speed it up, so the area that you're gonna see is at 400% speed. I'm still working on the editing software, so I wasn't able to put like video on it or voiceover on it. Once I figure out how to do that, I will do it in the future. But future tempo says just go with the flow on this one. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one. Alright, well, I never sped this video up because I've encountered our first problem. It seems that the... And I am going to put this... I'm going to post this video so you'll see the video. But it seems that the... Wow, look at that. It seems that the liquid gets too darkly colored to be able to still see what's going on. Let me find a tweezers here. I'm going to pull this stuff out, or pull this out and kind of rinse it off here, and then we'll bring it back. Hold on. And then we'll bring it back in and take a look at it. And it's only been, what, 10 minutes or so? Hasn't been very long, that's for sure. Alright. All I got here is a water bottle that I've punched a hole in the top of to use as like a little squirt bottle. So, ooh, it's really rough feeling. It's really weird. It's really, you can feel where it's really ate into the coin. And that's after only 10 minutes. I just got to figure out a way. I kind of have an idea here. Just a way to make it so that we can see what's going on a little better. And this microscope that I'm using comes with man, look at that. You can see how rough that surface is. This microscope though comes with a little square deal that you plug in that has light underneath it. And so I'm wondering if we get light coming up from underneath, if we could if we'd be able to see through better. That's going to be a future little take, but there you go. That's what happens after 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes in the nic-a-date solution. So, I mean, this proves to why you don't want to leave that stuff on very long. I mean, it is, you can just see it. I'm going to bring that scope right down in there and see if we can't see a little bit better here. Get just a little bit closer and see that the damage that was done. All right. Oh, there you go. There you go. You can see it. Clear as day. Let me grab another buffalo nickel that hasn't gone through that treatment. I mean, it's not in good shape either, but look at this. That's what the surface usually would look like. And here's what we're left with. And again, this is after only 10 minutes in that solution. Now, can you see the date? Yeah, you can see that date. Pretty well, actually. 1920. Again, there was no mint mark on this one. I mean, everything comes through really nice, but oh, that's what happens when you leave it in. So this explains something to me, and that would be this coin right here. Look at this coin here. It's a 1918, and I was trying to figure out what made it look like this. What made it look like this? And I was thinking, well, maybe it was buried, which is still a possibility, but it's smoother than this one, but it could have traveled through people's pockets and been rubbed on and stuff. But it kind of looks a lot like this one. That's crazy. So do I think that nic-a-date could eat through a full nickel? I think given enough time it would actually do it. I think given enough time it would eat through the full nickel. So anyway, I'm going to get this video up for y'all. Make sure you share this video, like, comment, all that good stuff, because again, it helps that algorithm, and this is the kind of stuff I enjoy doing. I have other experiments that I'm actually working on in the background right now that I'm hoping to bring up to the foreground at some point and do them for you. But you know, this all takes money, and if I don't have, honestly, if I can't monetize, I can't keep doing this stuff. You know, buying chemicals and stuff like that, it all takes money, and it's not a lot of money, but it's not insignificant either. So, I mean, I just destroyed a coin that I maybe could have sold for $5. Nic-a-date is like, I want to say it's like $14 or something like that, a bottle, or $7, or I don't know, something like that. I just went through like a whole bunch of that. Paper towels. I mean, I go through tons and tons and tons and tons of paper towels. Constantly, I bought, you know, that gold test kit and just all the different chemicals and stuff. It all costs a lot of money. So anything you guys can do to help me get this channel up to a monetization will be very, very helpful. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, have a good one.